Get ready to explore a wide range of career opportunities in the medical field by joining the Health Pathway. Porter's Health Science program is the place for those looking to pursue a future career in healthcare.
The students in our pathway start off with principles of science. Their second year, they take terminology, and that's a full year, a whole year of terminology. Their third year, they're going to the hospital. They'll be going for 9 weeks. They'll go usually the second semester.
I do a little bit of everything. I'll be doing medical assisting, I'll be doing EKGs.
I study medical, which is just human anatomy, biology, and psychology of it.
I'm with speech therapy and with the little kids.
And then when they get to their senior year, they do all the skills that are required for their certification. They learn aseptic techniques, they learn sterile techniques.
They build skeletons, they have to build hands so that they can show how the muscles work.
We offer the EKG certification and the medical assistant certification.
I'm doing the medical assistant program as a certification. So hopefully we are trying this out in BISD, and hopefully if it goes well this year, we can have that for all the BISD schools.
Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School. Your future in health science begins here.